And without Rudra, Maya is incomplete.
So I guess I'm not required here. Guys, let's get back to work.
I'm sorry. Ever since you came to my life, everything has changed. I have changed. Then, why shouldn't my book change?
It's your book, your life, and your decision. That's it. But I should be your love.
Always.
Actually, my gym instructor didn't come today, so I didn't go to the gym. So I came back home. Perhaps I will go tomorrow. I will call and tell you. See you in the gym tomorrow. You? What are you doing here? I am doing nothing, ma'am. I lost my way actually. It's such a big house. I keep losing my way. However, your tree is really nice. Sapling. Oh God, unbelievable. What a strange woman she is.
Yes,
May I come in, ma'am? Please? What? This is my office.
you made me your boss in front of everyone, so technically, this is my office.
No one can stop me from meeting you, not even my irritating boss. Well, I have a surprise for you. I've found the perfect way to promote your book.
Photo ops, media interviews, functions. My photo should be everywhere. Thanks, but no thanks.
Ma'am, you've just got to know me. You haven't understood me. Press and media were present at our wedding reception. Not even a single photo of yours was published.
Point to be noted. How did you do this?
Ma'am, sometimes we should take advantage of a surname. Maya Rudra Roy sells her work, not herself.
I want to sell my work, not myself.
We'll organize a magazine interview to promote your book in which no one will ask you about your personal life. You'll be asked only about your work and your book. And the journalist will make you feel quite comfortable.
Who is the journalist?
The one and only, my brother, Addy. Hey. So he is the journalist.
For that, you need to talk to Maya's manager. Hi, I'm Rajiv Chandra.
So you are Maya's manager. Nice.
Well, will Aditya be...
Oh, I forgot to tell you. Aditya is an investigative journalist and He has exposed many big agencies and they are secret deals. So he's actually very good at it.
Exposing the truth is my job. It does not matter how hard one tries to hide the truth.
But no personal questions, only book related questions.
Yes, of course. But first we need to make personal equations with each other. Right? So, how about a coffee date, Miss Maya?
Sure.
Come with me, I'll show you the office.
Yeah,
Come.
sure. See you at the coffee.
Lover boy.
Investigative journalist. What the heck were you doing? You inquired about him, right? I can't give this interview. He will get to know about the truth.
No, Maya, Aditya is not like that.
Will you use your brain? If he learns the truth, I can't afford to lose Rudra.
I'm sorry, Maya. I won't repeat this mistake. I will be more careful the next time.
Did you change my pills? That's why you were outside my room, right? What is your real intention? Your daughter has asked you to do all this. No, ma'am. Maya didn't ask me to do this. What have you put in that container? Poison? You want to kill me? Ma'am, talk positively. May your enemies die. I placed vitamin pills in that container. It's good for your health. You can get rid of your addiction. God! Addiction of these pills is not good for your health. Even your husband is so worried about you. Now you are Maya's mother-in-law. You are like her mother. Oh, just shut up! Just give me my medicine. Give them back to me. Or else, I will give them back. I will give it. However, don't take too much, okay? Please, it is not good. Leave it!
Mom! Mom, what happened? What happened?
Nothing, dear. I tripped over her sari.
Are you okay?
Yes, dear.
Let's go.
What happened, Mom?
Didn't you hear her? She tripped over my sari.
Did Rudra's mother misbehave with you?
Dear, it was my sari's fault. Didn't I tell you that I tripped?
You know you can't look into my eyes when you are lying to me.
And here's some ice cream for the most amazing lady.
Oh, wow. Only one scoop? Haven't you ranked my awesomeness too low?
Even you are so unjust. You could have been born a few years later. At least I wouldn't have had to marry your rude daughter.
She isn't rude anymore. Something has changed.
Yes, something has changed. Fear has changed. Now you know we are the best pair ever. Okay, but Maya is still at 0.
Oh.
Yeah. By the way, tell me something. Are you happy in this house? Today I felt my mother.
No, dear, nothing happened. You, my son-in-law, is here. If something happens, I will tell you first. Now, will you let me eat the ice cream? It will
Go
melt.
ahead with the ice cream. I have to make a phone call, so finish it off by then. I'll get another one, okay? Wait.
By the way, only lucky people get husbands like Rudra, you know?
Or when Rudra enters anyone's life, that person becomes lucky.
Rudra, Rajiv had called up. He said that Maya refused to be interviewed.
I'll talk to her.
Hey, stop. Sit. Look, the fact is, when a wound is deep, one tries to hide it from the whole world. And until this wound is not healed, she will remain restless.
You're absolutely right. It is the wound that makes her shy away from the world.
By the way, Rudra, there is one way to heal this wound. Listen to me. Why don't you share your wound with her? Because after Rishi's death, even your heart is wounded, right? You should help each other, man. Why don't you take her to your comfort zone? I mean, to our comfort zone. Share your pain, sadness, happiness, and joy with her. Show and share everything with her. It might help.
Good idea. Thank you.
Rudra, what are you doing? What? Please. Okay, where are we going?
A place where you'll forget everything.
What?
The first step towards peace.
Okay.
Come.
What? Hey, where are you taking me? Listen.
Only listen, Maya.
But what? Okay.
Maya. She is just in my feelings now, not in my mind.
Rishi?
Maya is that kind of girl that anyone can fall in love with her. She can love you and she can scare you as well. She's beautiful, loving. That's how my Maya is. Rishi, where is your life, your Maya? These dialogues sound nice only in the films, not in real life, stupid. You won't get a girl by saying these cheesy dialogues.
He used to relieve me of my pain before you came into my life. My brother Rishi. His pranks, his jokes, his smile.
Rishi knew very well how to turn bad into good, be it someone's mood or life.
Maya, people try to find peace in places, but for me it was Rishi. And actually, it was Addy's idea to make you a part of my world. So, Maya, this is my world, where Rishi is no longer with me. These are his memories. And each moment I spent with him holds a happy memory. His smile, his plays. Hit it, Rish!
Yeah, I'm trying.
his singing.
The depth of my love, you're never gonna understand, and I cannot live without you.
He relieved all my pain. But he left a huge hole in my heart. And today I wanted you to see my happiness and my pain as well. My Rishi, my brother, my child. He took the responsibility to bring our family together from his childhood.
You know, Maya, if you had the opportunity to spend a little time with him, so even you would have fallen in love with his madness and his innocence.
I really love you. And I'm gonna remove all the darkness, past darkness of your life. I will save you. I'm gonna love you a lot.
Hey, why are you crying?
That kind of person was our Rishi. He used to win people's heart very easily. Maya worked with Rishi in the office for a few days. And these tears, they are from my pain.
The one who took Rishi away from us should lose someone dear to him or her. Then only that person will understand this feeling. It seems both of you came to know each other very well in little time.
Let's go, Maya. Come.
Hello. Yes, uncle. Hello. Hello. The network here. Hello, one second. Hello. Yes, tell me.
Has Maya's interview been set up?
Yes, I was planning about that only. It seems you are more interested in her interview.
My daughter-in-law is going to give her first interview. It's obvious that I would be interested. She's a part of the family.
Actually, it was Addy's idea to make you a part of my world.
The one who took Rishi away from us should lose someone dear to him or her. Oh my god. Maya, I thought you are pushing me.
Why will I push you? I don't want to kill you. And if you die, then how will I know what you are aware of?
What do you mean by that?
I mean to say about Rudra and Rishi, about this family, About yourself. It is my duty to know everyone who's close to Rudra.
Even I am doing one of these same things. By the way, you are not what I expected you to be. I heard that Maya don't like people. Just like your clothes, you are surrounded by a lot of darkness. And you love to wear black a lot, am I right? So, is there any specific reason?
No color is as deep as black. That's why I'm okay with black. By the way, why should we waste time in looking for colors? Time is very important. Am I right?
Of course. Why do I forget that you are a writer? And it's your job to beat around the bush.
So let me do my job. And you do your job. And save the rest of your questions for the interview only.
Sure. Something is not right. Do you think you will get some information through this interview?
Aditya is an investigative journalist. It's his job to bring out a story where there's nothing. And this is Maya. There is a 10-year-old story here. When Aditya will start digging, I'm sure he will find something or the other.
Good morning, ma'am. What are you doing here? You didn't come for breakfast, so I thought I will bring the breakfast for you. I have brought your favorite breakfast: fruits, green tea, and toast. I have buttered the toast also. That's why you're buttering me. No, ma'am, there is nothing as such. I wanted to apologize to you for changing the medicines. I am really sorry. You can say sorry on behalf of your daughter who has trapped Rudra. You can apologize to live in this house. By the way, you talk a lot about not even drinking a glass of water in your daughter's in-laws' house. You have packed your belongings and come here. Can't you understand that nobody likes you or your daughter in this house? Nobody loves Manvi in this house. Neither you deserve to stay here, not even your daughter Manvi. Not even your daughter Manvi. She was rubbish before, and even now she is rubbish. Nobody likes your daughter over here, okay? And not your daughter Manvi. Nobody likes your daughter here. She started drama again.
Mom? Mom?
Mother-in-law!
Oh my god, please check, Mom. Mom!
Mother-in-law! Mom, what happened to mother-in-law?
I'll tell you what happened. Mom brought breakfast for her. And like always, she was so involved in taking care of others, she didn't take care of herself. I think she hasn't had breakfast. That's why she felt dizzy.
I'll pick her up.
Yes.
Come on.
It's not over yet.
Neither you deserve to stay here, not even your daughter Manvi. Manvi! Manvi,
She is in a deep trauma. The death of her children has turned her life upside down like this. It has been 7 years since she's here, but she still doesn't remember anything.
where is Manvi? Manvi! 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 Where is Manvi?
Calm down.
Where is my Manvi?
Everything will be fine.
Manvi!
Just calm
Manvi!
down, Mom.
Manvi!
Please. Shh.
Manvi!
Please calm down.
Manvi!
Shh.
Manvi! My Manvi! Where is my Manvi?
She'll be here. Please calm down.
Manvi!
She'll be here. Calm
Manvi!
down.
What happened, Maya? Why was she screaming?
When did she scream? She's asleep.
Tell me the truth, Maya.
Mom needs to rest for a while. So let her rest. Let's go.
Maya, I did hear her voice.
Mom is sleeping, Rudra. Thank you for taking care of my mom.
I married you just to trap your mom. Anyway, you take care of your mom, okay? Yeah? I'll be back.
Maya?
Are you all right?
Yes, dear.
Didn't you teach me in childhood that neither we should tolerate anyone's threat, nor we should threaten anyone? Have you forgotten what you taught me, Mom? Rudra's mom has behaved rudely with you.
No, dear.
What did she tell you, Mom?
Dear, nothing happened. It's just like that.
Mom, what did she tell you? Your feet got stuck to your sari yesterday and you slipped over coffee today?
It happened because of my carelessness. I forgot that this house belongs to her and I don't have any place in this house. And dear, every mother cares about her child. I care for you a lot, just like she cares for Rudra. Dear, you don't inform anything to Rudra. I don't want that because of my stupidity. There should be a problem between you and
No
Rudra.
one will come in between me and Rudra. Never ever. You just tell me what she told you.
No idea, dear. She was saying something I didn't understand, but I have a weird feeling that. And I don't remember that what happened after it. But she was taking a name.
Maya. I guess she took my name. She was talking about me. Then you went to serve her breakfast. And you didn't eat anything since you were busy serving her breakfast. Your blood pressure decreased due to that. And you were feeling dizzy.
No, dear. That is not the case. It was a different feeling.
Mom, it was
it was-
nothing. You please take rest. Please. Mrs. Mrityunjay Roy, be careful about what you do. You wanted to show my mother her worth? Okay, fine. Today I will show you your worth.
No, this is your house, Antara. Maya cannot come here. Maya cannot come here. This is just my fear.
And you are scared of Maya.
Help! Somebody help!
You scream a lot. But no one will come to help you. No one will come. You wanted to see my worth, right? This is my worth. I won't get burned despite walking through the fire. And this is you. Even lukewarm water can burn you. When you enjoy the warmth of a fire, then it is called as a mother's love. When it starts to burn, then it becomes hatred. When it burns one down to ashes, then it becomes revenge. Which form of it do you want to see today, Antara? You are fated to be doomed. The things that you did to me 10 years ago, I'll surely take revenge for that. But from now on, if you ill-treat my mother, then I will hurt you so badly that you will wish to die with every breath you take.
What do you think of yourself? You will do whatever you want or what? You cross the limits of being shameless. First you trap the father and then you trap the son. The day Rudra knows that his love was his dad's girlfriend, he will be ashamed of you.
Are you a fool or do you like to act like one? Did I trap? Time and again, I rejected your husband, but he trapped me in his lies. I truly fell in love with a person who didn't even know the meaning of humanity, let alone love. And you? Who are you to talk to me about modesty? Weren't you ashamed when I fell onto your feet and begged to help me and my unborn kid? Didn't I come to seek your help then? Didn't I tell you the whole truth? Where was your modesty then? You were not modest then, and you are not modest now. Despite knowing the truth, did you ever question your husband at least once? No. Why? Because more than being a good human, you love your pride more. You love your status. Isn't it? So see now. Antara Mrityunjay Roy, another Mrs. Roy, stands in front of you. Mrs. Rudra Roy.
Mrs. Roy is only one. And that's me. And no one can take away that pride from me.
I have no intention of taking away your pride. I have come to destroy your pride. The name and honor for which you took the wrong side, I am going to destroy that honor and name forever. And you will see a small trailer of that tomorrow.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.